Progress so far. Bloody raining today, isn't it? So no brickwork today, but it's virtually finished now anyway. I think once the rafters are, I've got one more course to do down here. Then I've just got to finish off excuse me, just got to finish this side and this side. Up there, that thermite there is door height, so we're getting a cat nick. But because of the joining wall down there, so where the extension is, the cavity's got to be a lot wider, so we've had to do a bloody 160mm cavity, which means special order for the cat nick then, which is a pain in the arse. But yeah, got a week, I think it's a week to 10 days, so we're waiting on that now. G-deck's set up in here now, ready for the roof. We're just putting the plates around at the top up there and stuff, ready to go, and that's it then. I'll show you now. So Parker's just shouted a measurement down to Dave. Dave's going to show you now how to mark it out. So he's going from this point here, where we've got the angle already for the rafters. So it goes to the top point. What, do you know what angle it is?
No, off the top of my head.
I think it's 20 degrees.
It's roughly around that. I can't remember exactly. Go off on.
What? Give us a
Hello.
2,445.
Rip 5 mil off this end.
Rip fucking miles 5 mil.
We've got a template that we made here, so we've cut this template to suit, and we've put it in place, and then we're using that with the bird's mouth as our template.
Yeah?
So as you can see, he's all cut on the angle.
Make sure you keep it flush.
So then what he's doing is this mark here, the measurement they took to the wall plate, up to this corner point of the bird's mouth, so that's the seat cut.
Seat me. How to seat?
He marks that out, cut it out, and then we'll pass it out to the boys and they can test it to make sure it's perfect.
That's 2445.
That's 2445. Nice. Thanks.
So you use a circular saw for this, just for speed, and then not circular saw, and a hand saw just to finish it off.
Find the hole. Door of my line.
Lovely. There you go.